If only you knew how embarrassing it is to have dark armpits. If you're battling with dark armpits, today is your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to get rid of dark underarms. So if you're interested in lightening your dark armpits and knowing the best products that you can use, you should just keep on watching. Dark underarms or dark armpits could be so embarrassing to the point that you cannot even rock your favorite sleeveless wear in peace. And the worst part of it all is having to buy different products on trial and error. Like, most of these products cannot even do anything. Well, that's why I'm here, to help you get rid of your dark underarms, and soon enough you'll be rocking your sleeveless wear that you so love. So before we proceed into how to get rid of this dark underarms, we need to take a look at the various causes or some of the things that we actually do that worsen our dark armpits. Like, there are a variety of reasons why your armpits could darken, and one of them is deodorants. Like, when you use deodorants that contain alcohol and other harmful ingredients like aluminum chlorohydrate, it can cause your underarm skin to get darker. Deodorants on the normal are essentials that should help you stay fresh all day, but when it contains these harmful ingredients like alcohol and aluminum, what this harmful ingredient does is to block your sweat glands and mask your odor. So when purchasing a deodorant, you want to make sure that they are alcohol free and they do not have any form of aluminum chlorohydrate. Or you can basically opt in for natural deodorants like the Arm & Hammer Essential and the Dove Even Tone deodorant. Like, both of them are very nice. They are good deodorants that you can basically use under your arm. This particular Dove deodorant contains vitamin B3 and that's niacinamide. It's a good deodorant. It will help to improve the pigmentation under your arm a whole lot. Like, these two deodorants, they are good deodorants for people battling with dark underarm. So I'll basically advise you opting for any of these natural deodorants if you really want to lighten your dark armpits and get rid of your dark underarms. So the second cause of dark armpits, or one of the things we do that seems to worsen our dark underarms, is shaving. Shaving might always look like the best way to get rid of your underarm hairs, but the razor blades can be very abrasive on the skin. Like, it could tear your skin or cause irritations under your armpit, and when these irritations occur on your skin, they could darken your underarms. So you want to avoid shaving your underarm hairs. Like, the best way to get rid of your underarm hairs is waxing. Now, waxing could be a little painful. You will get used to the pain when it comes to waxing, and once you start waxing, you will notice that your hairs will not be thick as usual. So waxing is one of the best ways to get rid of your underarm hairs. So even if you want to shave, you can basically shave your skin, but before you shave your skin, ensure you soften the hair under your arm. You can basically use your soap and then use your shaving stick to go into the hairs. This way your hairs will be softer and it will give you that skin finish. And then you can go in with an aftershave powder or cream to prevent your skin from irritation. So the third basic cause of dark underarms, or one of the things that we do that basically make our armpits get darker, is dead skin cells accumulation. Like, when you fail to scrub your skin at least once or twice a week, dead skin cells tend to pile up on your skin, and that is the same way it occurs under your arm. When you fail to scrub under your arm, you are accumulating dead skin cells under your armpits, leading to underarm darkening. So if you really want to lighten your dark armpits, you need to start exfoliating under your armpits at least once or twice a week. Do not neglect your underarm. So another cause of dark armpits is as a result of friction of wearing tight clothes. Like when you wear a tight clothes, it tends to rub off on your skin, cause friction between your skin and making you sweat a lot under your armpits. This is because when you wear tight clothes, you cannot breathe. You tend to sweat more, and this can actually lead to darkening of the underarm. So you want to reach out for skin friendly fabrics like cotton and avoid very tight clothes. Another major cause of dark armpits could be as a result of underlying health issues. If you have worse hyperpigmentation under your arm, you better reach out to your doctor. So you want to consult your doctor to be sure you're not having any underlying health issues. So if you're able to incorporate all those tips that I've mentioned, you will not be suffering from dark underarms. Like, these tips will basically help to improve your dark armpits. So with that said, I'll be showing you guys 2 most effective ways that you can get rid of your dark underarm. So the first effective way or method that you can use to actually get rid of your dark underarm is using the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Like, this is the product right here. This is one of the most popular hacks on TikTok, using the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution to lighten your dark armpits. Like, it actually works, but I would say it doesn't work for a period of 7 days or how many days like they were putting it online. No, it takes 2 weeks to see like a little effect, then a period of 1 month for it to actually clear out. Like, this particular hack actually works. Like, the ordinary glycolic acid can basically help to lighten your dark armpits. So one of the things I will actually say is, if you want to use the ordinary glycolic acid toning solution to get rid of your dark underarms, you want to use it 2 or 3 times a week. Do not use it every day. Maybe you can use it on a Monday, skip Tuesday, use it on Wednesday, skip Thursday, use it on a Friday. Like, do it that way and you will see visible results. All you have to do is to take the ordinary glycolic acid toning solution, put some drops on a pad and use it to wipe under your arm after having your shower at night. But I chose doing it at night because that is when your skin is in its healing mode. The second way or second effective method that you can use to lighten or get rid of your dark underarm is using kojic acid soap. Just like I said before, all you have to do is to cleanse your armpits using your kojic soap. This kojic soap contains kojic acid that helps to lighten the skin, so it's very effective when it comes to lightening your dark armpits. So this particular soap, all you have to do is to lather it and apply it under your armpits. Leave it on for a period of 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing it off. Rinse it off and then you can go ahead to apply aloe vera gel. Then top it up with your natural deodorant. Hacks, like I said, it wouldn't lighten your armpits within 7 days, so do not expect an overnight result. It's going to take a period of 2 weeks to 1 month for you to see visible results, depending on the severity of the pigmentation under your arm. Do not use any of this method on a daily basis. You can do 2 to 3 times a week. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.